After purchasing an Aggregator Premium plan, you'll be directed to a purchase receipt page to download the plugin immediately. You will also receive an email with a download link and access to your personal Aggregator account, where all your information is centralized. To download Aggregator Premium, log into your account and click on Downloads. Then select the Download WP RSS Aggregator Premium button. For installation, log into your WordPress site and navigate to the Plugins section. Ensure you have the free version of Aggregator installed and activated. Click Add New Plugin, then select Upload Plugin. Choose the downloaded zip file without unzipping it and click Install Now. After the installation, activate the plugin by clicking the Activate Plugin button. With both the free and premium versions activated on your site, the final step is to activate your license key to start using the full capabilities.